kids, my name is Gabby, and today I'm going to help you guys make this. It's a clock, and it can help you a lot with time, and it can teach you how to do time. So let's get started and make it. So we are going to need some supplies. So first thing, you need 3 paper plates, and then you need paper fasteners or a paper clip, which is what we are going to use, a paper clip. And then you'll need markers, don't matter what color. And then last but not least, scissors. First thing, you will need to draw 2 hands for the minute and the hour hand. So make one smaller than the other. So the small one's going to be the hour, and then the big one's going to have to be the minute. So now, number 2, you need to cut these out. Ready? So when you're finished with these, you could set them to the side and make sure they are right next to each other so you know where they are and so they won't get lost. Now we are going to cut in between each number so then we can fold them. And try to make it look good too. Like it doesn't matter. Just one little cut. See? If it doesn't really look good, then so you try folding. If it doesn't really fold, you cut it more. So now you're gonna get your other plate and put it underneath. So then ask your mom or dad to poke a little hole in the middle. See? Put in a paper clip, and still ask your mom or dad. And your mom and dad will use the paper clip to not make the arms fall off, and like this. See, this is how the paper clip should look. If it doesn't, then fix it. It would be better if we used a paper fastener, but we didn't have any. And write the number by counting by 5s underneath these numbers, like 12 o'clock. Okay, so now I'm gonna start. I'm using pink. No matter what colors you have, we still have to write in the, minute and hour. Wait, five, 10, 15. Numbers are down under here. Then you write down minute and hour on hour on the small one, minute on the big one, and then you're all set. Then you can just go and practice. Now your clock is finished, and the video's over. It's 5 o'clock now.